Welcome to the Daily Threat. Today, we're diving into 3 significant cybersecurity stories that highlight just how vulnerable we all are in the digital age. Let's get started with an alarming development that could affect your business and its operations. First up, the US government, alongside Microsoft, has disrupted the operations of the Russian hacker group known as Blizzard. This group has been targeting critical infrastructure worldwide, and their tactics have evolved to become more sophisticated. Imagine a group of thieves quietly watching your business, looking for the best moment to strike. That's precisely what these hackers have been doing, patiently planning and launching attacks that could cripple essential services. The Blizzard group's attacks have primarily focused on sectors that are crucial to everyday life, like energy and transportation. For instance, if these hackers were to successfully infiltrate a power grid, the consequences could be catastrophic. Picture this: your lights flickering, businesses unable to operate, and critical emergency services unable to respond. The risk here is not just financial loss, but potentially dangerous disruptions to the services your business relies on every day. So how do we mitigate these risks? It starts with implementing robust security protocols. Regular software updates are a must, as they often patch vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. Additionally, employee training on recognizing phishing attempts is vital. Think of your employees as the first line of defense against cyber threats. Just as you wouldn't let an untrained guard protect your physical assets, you shouldn't let untrained staff handle your digital security. Moving on, North Korean hackers are back in the spotlight, using a new backdoor called Veil Shell to conduct stealthy attacks. These hackers are notorious for their relentless pursuit of sensitive information and financial gain. This new tool allows them to infiltrate systems undetected, making it as difficult to catch them as it is to find a needle in a haystack. Imagine your business's sensitive data sitting in a safe, and these hackers have found a secret entrance that you didn't even know existed. This threat highlights the importance of vigilance. Think about how often your company relies on technology for operations. If these hackers can gain access, they could steal sensitive data, leading to severe reputational damage and potential legal repercussions. Organizations may face lawsuits or regulatory fines if they fail to protect customer information. It's essential to employ advanced threat detection systems that can identify unusual activities within your network. Regular security audits are also crucial. These can help you understand your vulnerabilities and how to address them before hackers do. Finally, let's discuss the insights from local disinformation experts regarding TikTok's role in disseminating propaganda, particularly concerning Ukraine. According to these experts, TikTok has become more dangerous than Telegram, mainly due to its widespread use and engagement among younger audiences. Just as you might trust a friend's recommendation for a product, users often take the information shared on TikTok at face value. This creates an environment where misinformation can spread rapidly, potentially influencing public perception and causing confusion. For businesses, this is a wake-up call to understand the platforms their audience engages with and to be proactive in combating misinformation. Picture this: your company has a solid reputation, but a viral TikTok video spreads false information about your services. The potential damage to your brand could be immense. To combat this, consider establishing a clear communication strategy that addresses potential disinformation and keeps your audience informed. Regularly monitor social media channels for emerging narratives about your business and be prepared to respond quickly to misinformation. As we conclude today's episode, it's clear that the threats in the cybersecurity landscape are ever-evolving and increasingly complex. What are you doing to protect your business from these risks? Are you confident in your current security measures? These questions should motivate you to take action today. Cybersecurity is no longer just an IT issue. It's a critical component of your overall business strategy. By understanding these threats, implementing robust security measures, and maintaining constant vigilance, you can protect your business from the unseen dangers lurking in the digital landscape. Subscribe to the Daily Threat to stay informed about the latest in cybersecurity. Remember, QIT Solutions is here to help you navigate these challenges and secure your business against ever-present threats. Together, we can make the digital landscape a safer place. Thank you for tuning in.